She's picking away.
There's the babies over there.
So we don't really have to be quiet. Oh, here they come. They're running. They're so close to being the color of the ground, Kim. Do you realize how hard they are to see?
Yeah. Isn't that amazing how they blend in?
Yeah, there's 2 moms and 2 dads. There's 2 moms and 2 dads.
Okay, look at you. You are just such a doll.
Where's the other babies?
See the 3 babies right in front of them?
Yeah.
Okay, so how many babies are here now?
I counted 12 before.
No, but right here I'm seeing 3.
I see 3, yeah.
And so this is one set of parents and they've got 3 babies with them?
Well, I think, do both sets look alike? Are
You mean,
those both the males?
that does look like they're both males. I mean, I would say, but here comes 2 more with all the rest of the kids.
Okay. Well,
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Isn't that neat?
Well, what's really great is now that they're out in the sunshine, I'm actually...
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12 little ones.
So 12...
12 little ones
And there
4,
were 16?
And the 4 parents. Dad said there were 16 before.
Well, I'm only seeing 3.
Unless he counted unless he was counting the older ones too.
I don't know. You mean, oh, they're 16 with 12 children. 12 would seem right because 6 eggs each in the clutch.
He may have been counting the older ones
or
too.
the nest. Okay.
Isn't that something? The little ones even have some of the little, they're just beginning their top notches and stuff.
Yeah, you can already tell whether it's going to be a little girl or a little guy. Isn't that something?
That is so neat.
What really gets me is how they just totally disappear when they're in the shade. They're the same color as that grass.
So much with
oh, look at their dad or mom scratching up some. Did you see it scratching?
Yeah. And they can tell they're being watched, I think.
Well, and most